Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into something seriously cool. Additive manufacturing, or as you probably know it, 3D printing. But we're not just talking about those little plastic trinkets you might have seen. Oh no, we're going big. We're talking about 3D printing at scale, and how it's revolutionizing the way things are made. So, what's the big deal? Well, for ages, 3D printing was all about custom jobs. One-off parts, prototypes, things that were unique. It was amazing, but not exactly ready for mass production. Think about it, you needed a specific widget? Print it. Need a replacement part? Print it. Super useful, but a bit slow and expensive for churning out thousands of identical parts. But guess what? Times are changing. 3D printing tech has been leveling up, and fast. We're talking faster printing speeds, bigger build volumes, and a whole new range of materials that can withstand some serious punishment. Now, instead of just making a single part, we can print hundreds, even thousands, all at once. It's like magic, but with a 3D printer. This shift is opening up some incredible opportunities. Think about the possibilities. Companies can now design and produce components that are optimized for performance. Not just for ease of manufacturing. They can create parts with complex geometries that were impossible to make using traditional methods. We're talking lighter, stronger, and more efficient components. And the best part? It's all customizable. You can tailor the parts to your exact needs. Let's talk about some real-world examples, shall we? In the aerospace industry, 3D printing is being used to create incredibly complex engine parts. These parts are lighter and more efficient, leading to reduced fuel consumption and lower emissions. In the medical field, we're seeing 3D printed prosthetics and implants that are perfectly tailored to the patient's body. And in the automotive industry, 3D printing is being used to create customized car parts and even entire vehicles. Cool, right? But the transition to mass production isn't just about the technology. It's also about the whole ecosystem surrounding it. Companies are investing in new software, new materials, and new processes. They're developing ways to automate the entire 3D printing workflow, from design to production to post-processing. And that means one thing: the cost is coming down. And as the cost drops, even more companies will adopt 3D printing. And it will continue to grow. So, what does the future hold? Well, get ready for a world where 3D printed parts are everywhere. They'll be in your cars, your homes, and even your bodies. We're on the cusp of a manufacturing revolution. And it's going to be an exciting ride. So, keep an eye on 3D printing. It's a game changer, and it's only getting started. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.